To the channel, guys. This is King's Life channel. I appreciate y'all for tuning in my videos and everything, guys. What I wanted to touch bases on, guys, I know I dropped maybe a couple subscribers, guys, because maybe I'm doing something different on my channel. I'm not just doing car videos, guys. I'm doing like a little bit of everything: cars, welding. I'm doing it all, man. So if y'all don't like what I'm doing, man, y'all can feel free to unsubscribe, man. I ain't, I just want to do something different. I want to be different from everybody else. I just, I just don't want to be doing like car stuff a lot. I can, but right now, guys, a lot of people is getting sick. And what people don't realize is that, you go to these car meets and you're around like 100 people, and none of them is being 6 feet apart, guys. All of them, everybody is talking with each other, dabbing with each other and all that, guys. I ain't got time to bring that home to my family, man. I don't want my family to get sick. So you guys got to understand that, I love my family too much to be seeing, especially my daughter, man. I just, I see her wake up happy every day. She's always smiling. She's always happy. And, man, I would hate to just see her down one day and just be sick. I can't afford that, man. So for right now, guys, we're really not supposed to be out like that. But it's a lot of car meets going on. There's one tomorrow I was going to go to, but I'm kind of, just kind of thinking on it to see if it's going to be a big crowd. Because some of these car meets is not a big crowd. But I'll check it out and see if it's going to be safe. If not, then I ain't going to go, y'all. I'm not going to do it. So I got some more content coming for the cars as well here. I got some orders that came in yesterday. So I got some more installing stuff to do on my cars. But yeah, so this video, guys, I just wanted to let y'all know. I know I had some guys unsubscribed, and that's cool. That's fine. I know those guys are probably looking for car content a lot, and that's why I didn't name my channel the way I named it, because it's, I pretty much put it as King's Life because I want to show y'all what I do in a daily basis, or what I do for a living, to motivate you guys. That's why I call my channel King's Life. You know what I'm saying? Because I want to show y'all what I do pretty much with my life. And that's what I'm doing, man. I give y'all a little car content every now and then, but right now, guys, it's just not safe to be in a big bunch of people and getting sick, man. It's just not safe, guys. So if y'all don't like it, man, I appreciate y'all for coming in to my channel and subscribing and showing love, but hey, I gotta do what's right at the end of the day. So I hope y'all understand that. But what I want to do, guys, I want to go ahead and show y'all what I've done so far with the table that I've been trying to build. So, and it's a welding table, guys. So I'm gonna turn this camera around so y'all can take a look and see what it look like for now. Pretty much got one leg tacked on. I'm about to level it off. As you guys can see, you can level this off. And the way to do it, guys, you gotta make sure it's clean. You can level your deal off right there, and as you can see that line, so I need to go to the right a little bit. I want that bubble to be right there in the middle, guys. So that's what we trying to get, that bubble in the middle. And matter of fact, I can go ahead and tack it. I can go ahead and tack it on this side, because if I tack it on this side, guys, then it's gonna pull over that way, and it's gonna bring me right where I need it to be. And that's all we're pretty much doing today, guys. We're just gonna tack and clean. That's all we're gonna do today, because there's some other pieces that I want to install on here, like some braces. Like I want to have a brace pretty much go all the way around like that, and then go across, and then go all the way down like that, and then back down this way. That way we can get some more support. And then I want to put some braces like right up in here in this area, so that way we'll have more support. And then that way, if you want to put a welding machine right here on the bottom, or whatever you want to put, welding rods, it really don't matter, whatever you want to do. But this is what we got so far, guys. This is what we got, man. I know this is going to be the underpiece, so I'm not really worrying about how clean it is right now. So I just pretty much had to clean it good enough to make those tacks and my welds. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and move on and get all this stuff welded up. And then we're going to get the braces in. And then, yeah, guys, we're going to flip this thing over and put my vise. I got a vise. I want to show y'all what it looks like. It'll probably be in the next video, though. So y'all just stay tuned. But as you guys can see, I got this sucker on hot 214 amps. I'm not using the TIG just yet. I haven't fired it up yet, guys. I will be trying that here pretty soon. So right now I'm just running a stick rod right now, and then we're just gonna go with that. But guys, I appreciate you and everything. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, man. We're doing different things on this channel. I appreciate y'all for tuning in, and I want to show y'all how to weld, guys. I want to show y'all how to weld, and just different things in general, man, on this channel. It might be mudding one day. It might be doing some crazy stuff one day. I just want to, do things different. I'll take my chance and taking a loss on my subscribers, but I want to do things differently. I don't want to do what everybody else is doing. Everybody out there is filming the same thing, guys. They are filming the same thing. And when I go on YouTube, I'm watching just about the same shit on everybody's channel, guys. And I just want to be a little different. I want to do different things, guys. So y'all just bear with me, man. I appreciate y'all for coming in my YouTube channel, subscribing and everything, man, showing me love. Also, I already did the giveaway for 300 subscribers. Those guys should be getting that giveaway hopefully by next Tuesday, guys. So if you're watching this video, you will be receiving your things next Tuesday. Also, I sold a mask too as well, guys. I'm selling these masks. The black ones is pretty much gonna be out of stock here pretty soon. I got two people buying 2 masks today, the black ones. So I'm only gonna have the red ones left, but I'll be making more black ones here pretty soon. So if you want one, let me know. Drop a comment down below, guys, and let me know if you guys want one, and we'll exchange address information and things like that on how you can pay for it, and then I'll go ahead and ship it out to y'all. But like I said before, I will be doing more shirts as well, merch, shirts, and hats possibly, guys. So y'all just stay tuned, man, and appreciate y'all. So let's get to this video.
MGJ Production.
Go ahead and tack up the second leg, and we are running about 224 amps. So yeah, let's go. We're gonna use stick process still, and we are running a 7018 with a 332 rod. Trying to get this glove on, guys. Hold on just a second. Alright, let's go ahead and do it. Y'all seen that, right? Don't do that, guys. Alright, let's go. Yeah, guys, this metal is very, very dirty. So I can barely can get an arc on here, man. So barely get an argument, and these welding rods are not heated up, like I said. So, the next thing to do, guys, is go ahead and get us a rod of it. I got the wheels on, guys, and pretty much all I've done, guys, I just put big long tacks on there. They're not gonna break off or anything. This is not a big table that I'm building, so that's the process for now. So I'm gonna go ahead and tack up the rest, and then we're gonna go ahead and flip this thing over and see what it's gonna look like. The legs and the wheels, guys. Man, it's hot out here, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick up tomorrow. I have to go to the fab shop and get some support brackets and stuff. So yeah, man, y'all just stay tuned. You know, I still want to do some other little things to this table to get it right, and I want to make sure it's sturdy. So machine, it works pretty good. I guess I gotta make sure all the metal is very clean. Because other than that, it won't work as good. And then I'm using a 110 plug right now, so it's not giving all the power that you need. But my suggestion is to clean all this metal pretty good, guys. This is gonna be my first welding table that I built for me, so I know what metal it can handle and all that. So I just pretty much put tags because it wasn't welding right, and man, welding on this floor is hurting my back. So I'm gonna put support brackets here going across here and across there like that, and then go that way, and then I'm gonna put like a mesh little deal right here on this side. That way you can put things on the bottom like welding rods and stuff like that. And so yeah, guys, and I will be putting a long angle iron right here on this side. So that way you can also put your welding wire right in that angle iron. Or if you're trying to like practice welding and you want to go ahead and try to tack up your pipe, that'd be the best thing to use to tack up your pipe with, is that angle iron bend on the side like that, guys. So that's much easier for me. So but yeah, guys, it's coming along, man. I got the wheels on here, and I went to Lowe's and got these. These were about $8 a piece, so it wasn't that bad. A lot of people was telling me to go to Harbor Freight and spend about $100 on wheels, and I wasn't trying to do all that, guys. So I think these would be good enough. Like I said, I went to Lowe's and got these, and they also have the stop deal on here, so you can be able to lock it in place and the table won't move. So I went on ahead and got them, guys. And so I TIG tacked these and stick welded those down there. So it's coming along, guys. It's coming along. I appreciate y'all for tuning in the video, man. With that being said, I will give y'all more information on this welding machine. Yeah, guys, it works out pretty good for now. But hopefully, man, I can get me a whole shop, a new shop with AC and everything, guys, because this heat is crazy, man. This heat is crazy. This heat, it make you not even want to do nothing. So But this is King's Life, man, checking out with another video. I appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, hit that like button for me, man. I'm trying to teach y'all something. If you guys want to learn how to weld, I want to teach y'all that, guys. I want to teach y'all, and I will go more into details on the process and everything, on what to use, what not to use with this different type of metal and material. So y'all just stay tuned, man. I appreciate y'all. See y'all in the next video. Peace.